This is an unboxing video, but we've already half unboxed it. But what we've got now is a cat in a box. Shall I do an unboxing video? What could be in the box? Oh look, who's it addressed to? Me. What's in the box? Oh, it's a cat. Oh, it's you. We already got one like you. What have we actually bought though? Ninja, what have we actually bought? What could be in there? I wonder what lovelies await us. Ninja. Hey Ninja. What's this? What is it? What is it, Ninja? Ooh. It's interesting. Yeah, what is it? Oh my goodness. Unboxing up. This is like past the parcel. Oh my goodness. Look at that lot. Is it frozen, see? It is frozen solid. Wow, check it out. That is a whole chicken minced.
Raw.
Raw in each packet, especially for cats. Nurturing by nature. Raw cat food. You know, we don't cook it. You get it as it is. You're going to love it. It's got bone and brain and kidneys and livers and intestines and the meat from the chicken all minced up into one lovely nutritious meal for cats. How about that? Oh, we spoil you rotten, don't we? I might try some. I'll try all their other food. That looks delicious. Perhaps we won't give it to you. I'll have it. I'll make a bolognese. Where is he? Oh, he's over there. Whoa, is it a bit cold? Don't worry. We'll thaw it out. That's going to last, oh, easily a month. Yeah? Yeah, but not every meal of every day. One meal a day, apparently. Might have to add some... Do we need to have vitamins and things to it? That one? I know some of them you do.
You have to mix that liver
With liver.
and another part of meat.
Yeah, we've got chicken liver. We've got...
Beef.
We've got beef, we were told as well. It's good to mix with it. Raw beef. We've got that. So we mix all that up. And that is a fully balanced, nutritional, raw meal for cats. And they're going to love it. And it's going to do them the world of good. How about that? Whoa-hey. Right. That'll be for this afternoon. We need to defrost one. Yeah. And then we'll do a little video, I think, of preparing it all. That'll be nice. Well, hey.